This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 3a XL versus the iPhone XR. Now the 3a XL, this one has the Snapdragon 670 and 4 gigs of RAM on the latest Android 9 Pie. iPhone XR, this one has the A12 with 3 gigs of RAM on the latest iOS 12. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Now I'm gonna give the boot up win to the Pixel 3a. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. XR maybe? Messages. Identical. The camera. And let's go. Slide edge to the iPhone. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. And we'll click on this. Go. Ooh, maybe a little bit faster on the XR. This ad came up first. So we'll scroll to the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version of each. Go. Ooh, advantage 3a by a little bit. This ad came up first on the Pixel. We'll pinch to zoom, as you can see. Compare the two, leave it there. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store and App Store. Dead heat. We'll go ahead and click on any app. Click on the annoying TikTok tap on the Pixel and this one here, and we'll leave it there. Amazon shopping. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Pixel on that one. Not sure. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. And give that to the 3a. We'll click on this Golf Polo. Leave it there. Super Mario Run. Ooh, loading on the 3a already. And give the win to the Pixel on this. Tap to begin. Ooh, a little bit faster on the iPhone though. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. XR a little bit ahead here. And give the win to the XR as you can see. Tap to play. Asphalt 9. A little bit faster on the right so you can see. Photoshop Express. I have this 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the white balance filter on both, and I'm gonna click on the cloudy. And I'm gonna jack this up all the way. And I'm gonna click this. And we'll go ahead and see which one will save this faster. Ooh, iPhone XR a little bit slow here. So I'm gonna give the win to the 3a on this step, but the saving to the camera roll and the saving to the gallery, let's see which phone does this faster. And let's go. A little bit faster on the right, but not by much though. 3a right on its heels. Twitter. Ooh, give that to the Pixel. Snapchat. Pixel again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything in the background so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. iPhone XR has 3 gigs of RAM. 3a has 4. So let's see what happens right now. We're just gonna go through these apps again. And let's see what happens. Good to go on the Pixel or on the Photoshop Express. Good to go on the Asphalt 9, Temple Run 2. Oh, already a reload here on the Pixel. Super Mario Run, reload on the Pixel. eBay, and a little bit faster on the iPhone. Amazon Shopping, same place on both. App Store, Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. Browsers, both still on GSM Arena, no issues. Clock, there you go, a little bit faster on the iPhone. The camera, there you have it. Messages, and the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone XR, or do you have yourself the iPhone XS or XS Max? Or are you hashtag Team Pixel, rocking this brand new Pixel 3a or 3a XL, the Pixel 3s from last year, or even a Google Pixel 2 or the original Google Pixel, or taking it all the way back to the Nexus? Are you still rocking one of those, like a 6P? Overall, I think the Pixel 3a is a great choice for those on a budget. For $400 or $480, you get the same exact camera as in the flagship Pixel 3. Not a bad deal in my opinion, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.